This is a fascinating book that was done by a couple called Hungry Planet, What the World Eats. And what they did was they looked at a typical diet of a typical family in each country. And they went around all the different countries. Now I could present all 60 slides, but I've chosen 3 just to give you a sense of what they look like, 3 or 4. But this one is America. And when you look at America, you see, look at it. There's so many chips in the photo, they go up the side of the page. So much soda pop, it goes up the side of the page here. And there's so much takeaways, they have to sit it on their laps just to get it into the photo. Now, all of this processed meat, processed food, takeaways, you know, all the big takeaway brands in the world. There's one food in here that I would eat in terms of looking at what I eat for longevity and for health. Anyone want to have a guess at what it is? Grapes, right, fruit, right here. And I've had some people say in this particular slide, oh, but what about the tomatoes, Jace? What about the tomatoes? They're not tomatoes, they're tomato sauce. That's tomato sauce containers. And here's the thing, in 2013, and I'm not kidding, in America they changed the law because a whole lot of nutritionists and doctors wanted to change the school lunch program in America, you know, and make it so there was actually real food served rather than pizza and chips and things. And what they did was they did this big presentation to the House of Congress, and the House of Congress looked at it and they said, okay, well what we're going to do is we're going to distinguish tomato sauce as a vegetable. So instead of actually feeding the kids something better, they said, oh, well, tomato sauce, if you have 2 tablespoons, that's a serving of vegetables. So in America, in the school system, I'm not kidding, right? A serving of pizza is counted as a serving of vegetables in the school system in America, right? That's how powerful the food industry is, eh? Massively powerful. So I would eat the grapes. That's what I would eat.